Hello and happy Sunday. I'm currently in my little office space. I don't think I've shared this space with you guys yet. A tour will be coming soon, but right now I'm getting ready to finish building this little plant stand. And I think I'm going to hang a couple shelves out in the actual studio so that I can put some of these paintings on. So if you didn't know, I just started the 50 oil painting challenge again. I would say mini, but I have switched up the sizes. I have a lot of 4x4s, but I have several 6x6, and I have one 8x8, but I plan on adding more. So let's build this shelf. No, let's build this plant stand, and then we'll go put the shelf out. Okay, so my camera died, but the shelf is built. I had to do it twice because I realized I messed up the first time. But it's fine, it looks great. Now I just have to clean this area here because I'm going to put it there, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna clear that out, vacuum, and then put it up against the wall. Okay, so there is the finished tower, plant tower. I used a couple nails to hold up the vines on the side. I chopped that bottom plant up and the cuttings are up here. I have it so it wraps around the lights. Yeah. I have my chair over there. And this is this corner. So yeah, we definitely have some work still to be done, but for today it's getting there. A couple new plants have been added to the collection since I have last filmed. Oops. Okay, so here's one of them. I'm really excited to see this one grow and be a little hanging basket. But this is a Hoya. And then I also have some Hoya up here. My into rope. I'm super excited to see this one grow. I finally got a queen, and she is on a trellis that one of my friends made. And then this is just a princess cutting. The Maranta has grown wild. And then I also got a variegated peace lily. So I am super excited to see this one grow as well. Peace lilies aren't like my favorite plant, but I really like the variegated ones. The leaves just turn out so pretty. So I am excited to see this one actually flower for me. But as you can tell, my ends are a little crispy. My watering hasn't been the greatest, but I'm figuring it out. So as you know, I am working on the 50 oil paintings, but I am also getting ready to launch a little moon collection. So if you like moons, be sure to follow along to see these come together. These are the smaller ones, but I will be sharing that whole process with you all soon. Okay, so next up on the list, I want to install this shelf over the couch and possibly a second shelf. Okay, let's add some art. These are 3 minis that are left over from last year's 50 mini oil painting challenge. So those are the shelves. They have the start of the 50 paintings for this challenge. If you are excited about this challenge, then please follow along. I look forward to seeing how it all comes together. I definitely need to find a better way to store all 50 of these. So if you have any ideas that doesn't consist of putting 50 holes in my wall, please let me know. But also, we're gonna paint soon, so I might put 50 holes in the wall. Stay tuned, we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for helping me get the office together, the studios somewhat organized. A new tour for both rooms will be coming up soon, and if there's anything else you guys would like to see, please leave me a comment and I will see you in the next one. Bye!